Becky Hinton. I'm the Executive Director here at Overlook Village in Moline. Pergolas were an original part of Overlook Village, so they came with the building. We've enjoyed them for almost 5 years. We have 3 pergolas here at Overlook Village. We have one very large one that's in the courtyard of our memory care, and we have 2, one of which I'm under right now, here in the independent living courtyard. Well, first of all, they're just beautiful. Who wouldn't want a pergola for their outdoor space? It totally upgrades the look and feel of the outdoor area. And there is just something medicinal about fresh air and sunshine, especially the filtered sunshine under our pergolas. Oh my goodness, they do so many things out here. It's not just the residents, but it's also their families and their guests that are enjoying our outdoor spaces. We've had residents who have coffee and conversation under our pergolas. We have residents that do their gardening. They'll come in and use our tables and repot their houseplants in the shade of our pergolas. It's wonderful. A nice cup of coffee in the morning, a glass of wine in the evening. I think there's like no upkeep. We power wash them once a year, and they're just gorgeous. I absolutely would recommend a Heartland Pergola for any senior living community or your home.